Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Rally here. Alright, I don't know if you can see them, but I just took some fries from out of my pond, right? And they are swimming. Okay, so these fries are about 1 day or 2 day old. I'm going to be placing them inside my aquarium inside with my sponge filter. I'm going to be counting with you the amount of weeks that it takes for these fries to actually become large swimming goldfish that can go in my pond. I'll be feeding these fish on a regular basis 2-3 times per day, and we see how it pans out. I hope that you find this video interested. I hope you find this series interested, and it's a learning process for me. It's just 5. I'm gonna see if I find any more during the course of the day, but if I do find any more, I won't videotape to say I find more. I just in the update number 2, I will give you actual count. Thank you very much. Later. Bye bye. Jamaica. Bless up.